Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete reposted videos here in Instagram, right? So basically, we're trying to undo an Instagram repost, okay? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Instagram app. Now, once done, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now, in here, you'll be landed in this section, okay? All you have to do is just tap on the repost section. Tap on it, and you'll be able to find all of your reposted videos right here, or even post. Now, to delete it, you have two options. First up, tap on the video itself, and here we have the repost, okay? Just tap on it. Now go back. As you can see, it's gone. Now, the other option, just tap and hold on the repost itself. Tap and hold and do not release, okay? Swipe your finger onto the delete repost button right here, like so, and you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.